I came to Eyüp Istanbul to taste an early form of kebabs, famous Cağ Kebabı. I'm with DONER. He's the master making Cağ Kebab. It's a horizontally marinated lamb. It has a rotisserie horizontally compared to DONER, coming from even the 16th or 17th century. Early form of DONER kebab.
Çoban yemeği normalde bu. Çobanların iki tane çobanın birleştirip yani bir arada kurdukları bir sistem bu. İsmini de zaten şişten alıyor.
Cağ şiş demek.
Cağ şöyle diyeyim.
This is called cağ. This is ready one. We're gonna see how it is
Altı
made.
çiğ.
Yeah, this is raw part. And when there is an order, he will cook fully and then serve.
Kuzu but sadece. Yani başka ekstra.
Lamb shoulder.
Bir gün bekletiyoruz.
They marinate for one day. It has juice of onion, black pepper and salt. Okay, this is traditionally how it is served. I got as much as information I can. So it is kind of a yogurt soup with grain, barley. And now let's taste while it is still hot. Traditionally, they serve one side of the Cağ Kebab raw. It is how it is served in Erzurum. But here in Istanbul, depend on how you want, they put the other side back to the fire and then bring it to you. If you like raw meat, you can try traditional version as they eat in Erzurum.
Daha güzel oldu.
Tamam, teşekkür. You get the lavash, you get from the kebab like this and eat like this or get from the mezes, the salads and enjoy. Bismillah. The lamb meat of course is very delicious, right Zeynep? But it gets cold right away, so what they usually do is they serve one by one. They get new one and you just keep eating until you finish and they serve it while still hot.
Yemekler getirdik isterseniz.
Okay, they want us to taste some of the sherbets. This is tamarind, Demirhindi in Turkish. It has tamarind fruit, meyan balı, darul, fülfül, kakule. Lot of spices. In total it has 38 different spices. Very interesting. Let's try them.
Darul fülfül acı biber olabilir.
Çok güzel. This is really nice. I should try make it at home. Next I'm gonna try the Ottoman sherbet, Osmanlı şerbeti. It has meyan kökü, mor havuç, nar çiçeği, zencefil, tarçın, karanfil, meyan balı, keçi boynuzu, limon, şeker, içmiş. So it is a little bit different than I made on my channel. I have the recipe. It has more flavor of cinnamon and cloves. So we ordered third one. In the first 2 months, because of filming, I couldn't taste when it is hot. Now it's different. A little bit crispiness I can see. We are finished for the kebab, and this is the trick. As I said, they serve hot as much as you want, so when it is finished, there is a special place you put these and they count. Okay, next we're gonna try their dessert. When you think of Erzurum, the first dessert comes to mind is Kadayıf dolması, stuffed kadayıf. It's a fried dessert made with kadayıf dough, stuffed with walnuts. After shaping, they dip it into eggs and then deep fry. They serve it with thick, simple syrup. Okay, first famous kadayıf dolması. The kadayıf dolması is still warm, I can say. Outside is crispy, inside is soft. This is really good. Not a light dessert, but not too heavy either. Perfect for winter, I think. With a gallop of kaymak or ice cream, you can also eat during summer. I'm gonna give it to my daughter now and try the Hayrabolu dessert. The Hayrabolu tatlısı is similar to bread kadayıf, and tahini sauce matched really well. Me and my daughter's opinion, both desserts filled our expectations.
Efendim afiyet olsun.
Sağ ol. The waiter says it is a tradition here. They will come pour more tea for you until you say stop. Along with Cağ Kebab, the warm ambience, the treats, chestnuts, tea, potatoes made us stay longer in the place. If you want us to explore more places, let us know in the comments. See you in the next episode.